Alright, so this is a voiceover on this trade. This is a simple bread and butter setup. All I did was mark out relatively equal highs, relatively equal lows ahead of the session. That's ahead of the opening bell. So this is during the pre-market session, and I was waiting for this setup of the inverted fair value gap. I entered early on the order block, and some displacement comes into the market, and it was a beautiful trade. It just ran straight to the target. I took a partial above that high, the short-term high, intermediate high rather, and later on I took a time stop at the end of the macro. So price is finding support at the inverted fair value gap. My stop loss is below the inverted fair value gap. That's all I was willing to risk very little on this trade. Scaled down to just 2 contracts because it was counter higher time frame. Boom, and that's the displacement to the upside. So right there I take 1 contract off, and I have 1 contract left, and I was holding that 1 contract to terminus. I threw my stop up to break even, and I was risk off. So it was a free view, it was a free look, and I was willing to be stopped out there, but I did not get stopped out. I finally took off the rest of the position on a time stop when the clock hit 9:10. That was the end of the 8:50 to 9:10 macro, and I was contented with that setup. So this was counter higher time frame, so I used half risk, and it panned out pretty well. Now I did the longer review, or rather I did a longer forecast for higher time frame narrative and bias, and that will be available. It's on the YouTube channel, you can check it out. I'm bearish on the Nasdaq, so this was a counter higher time frame trade, and it panned out beautifully.